So, let's start the test then. Can you introduce yourself to me, please?
My name is Tram Anh. I'm 14 years old, and I'm from Hanoi City.
Nice, okay, cool. So we're going to start off then by talking about phones. How old were you when you first used a mobile phone?
I used a mobile phone when I was very young. I have my first phone when I was grade 1. Now it's not actually a phone, it's just an iPad. For me, it's for me to study and entertainment.
Cool. And do you ever switch your phone off?
Switch my phone.
Yeah, turn your phone off. Do you ever turn your phone off? Or is it always on?
Yes, of course, I switch my phone off.
When do you turn it off?
I turn it off when I go to sleep, when I study and go to the bathroom.
Okay. And what phone do you have at the moment?
I have an iPhone. I think it's very modern and smart.
Okay. And would you like to change your phone for something different?
No, I don't think so. My phone is keep me memory for me, and I very familiar with it, so I don't want to change it.
Okay, cool. Next up then, we're going to talk about cooking. Who does the cooking in your house?
In my house, mostly it's my mom. My mom cook for me because my dad and me don't know how to cook, and she's very good at it.
Okay. And what's your favorite thing your mother cooks?
I think that it's ice cream. She made banana ice cream summer.
Wow.
It's very sweet and it's very difficult to make it, and I love it.
Okay. And do you know how to cook anything at all?
It's quite embarrassing because I don't know how to cook anything. Just like egg or make noodle.
Okay. And would you like to have lessons in cookery to learn how to cook?
I think maybe in the future, yes, but now I just want to focus on my study. So I think that's not very necessary now.
Okay. And in Vietnam, who usually does cooking, men or women?
I think it's woman. Man is more focused on business for his family, and the woman will be cooking and clean the house.
Okay, cool. Right then, that's the end of part 1. So, have you got a piece of paper? Here you go. Okay, so I'm going to give you this question right here. Let me set my timer up. Here we go. Okay, so this is going to be your question. So you're going to have a minute to make some notes. You can use the piece of paper, and yeah, off you go. You have 1 minute to get ready. One. Okay then. Alright then, so are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so can you tell me about something good you do to help other people?
I do a lot of things to help people, and I hallway in the school, and she have something wrong with his outfit. Like she have a red dress, so I approach she and I tell she and I feel good to help people, and I think it's very shy thing. So if I have something wrong with my outfit, I want somebody to do that to me too. And it's very crowded and it's a public place, so I think it's a really good thing to do in society.
Okay. Cool. So I'm sure this down. Okay, cool. Right. So let's move on to the final part then. We're going to talk a bit more about helping people. So, what kind of things should children do to help their parents at home?
I think that's to help their parents to clean the house. And I also really like to help my parents to clean the house and sometimes throw the trash away and like helping my mom to carry stuff when she go to the market. And I also help my dad to massage because his job is really need to sit for a long time. So I think it's really useful.
Okay. And do you think that children now are less helpful than in the past?
I don't think so. I think that now children is have more technology or something to help. Okay, can you repeat?
Yeah. Do you think that children nowadays are less helpful than in the past?
Less helpful. Nowadays children have more modern technology. So and I think they can study more and they're more smart. So they're smarter, and in the past people just like they learn very limited and not really like I don't know how to explain that, but
That's okay. So, here's one for you now. Do you agree or disagree that girls are more helpful than boys?
I think that both boy and girl are very helpful. Like girl are maybe girl cleaner and more like it's more.
Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, and let's go for one more question then. So, if you were working for a company, what should the company do to help you in your life?
I'm going to company, and they should give me a longer break or easy work to do, and can create a very comfortable place for me to work and a modern technology, lights and internet like that.
Okay, wonderful. That's the end of the test. So, can I have your microphone, please? And could you press the stop button?